The case started like any other in Neo City, 2025. People wanted to know how to make money online, but the answers were scattered across the digital wasteland. I'm Detective Nova, and this is my story. Our first lead pointed to something called affiliate marketing. The concept was simple: promote other people's products, earn commissions. Low startup costs, flexible hours, but the catch? It requires patience, strategic thinking, and consistent content creation. The next clue led us to social media management. Companies desperate for digital presence, willing to pay top dollar for expertise. Perfect for social butterflies with marketing know-how, but beware. It demands constant adaptation to platform changes and algorithm updates. The plot thickened with dropshipping. No inventory, no warehouse, just connect suppliers with customers. Sounds perfect, right? But competition is fierce and you need sharp marketing skills to stand out. Then there's online course creation. Share your expertise, they said. Make passive income, they promised. True, if you have valuable knowledge and can create engaging content. But building a course, that's no small feat. The evidence pointed to freelancing next. Writing, design, programming, skills in high demand. Low barrier to entry, but high competition. Success requires building a solid reputation and managing client relationships. The mystery was unraveling. Each method had its own story to tell. Some required more time, others more skills, but they all shared one truth: success demands dedication and smart work. Whether it's affiliate marketing's passive potential, social media's dynamic landscape, dropshipping's scalability, course creation's knowledge sharing, or freelancing's flexibility, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The real mystery: finding which method matches your skills and goals. Case closed. Not quite. The online money-making landscape keeps evolving, and I'll be here, tracking new opportunities. Want to stay updated on future cases? Like this video, hit subscribe, and leave a comment about which method intrigues you most. This is Detective Nova, signing off from Neo City 2025.